Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Elite Auto Reviews, the channel where we don't just talk about cars, we reveal the truth that dealerships don't want you to know. Today we are doing something absolutely insane. We found a 2005 Cadillac Escalade sitting in a dirty parking lot for just $2,500. Yes, you heard that right. $2,500, and we are putting it head-to-head against a brand new $200,000 Escalade V that just rolled off the showroom floor in Beverly Hills. Now, before you say anything, I know what you are thinking. This is not even a fair fight. But here's the thing, that's exactly the point. Because today we are going to find out what you actually get for that massive price difference. Is the $200,000 Escalade really 80 times better than the $2,500 one? Or is Cadillac just selling you a badge, some fancy leather, and a whole lot of marketing hype? We drove both of these trucks back to back on the same roads through the same conditions, and what we discovered genuinely shocked our entire team. Some of the results you are going to see today make absolutely zero sense, and honestly, that's what makes this video so wild. By the end of this video, you are going to completely rethink the way you look at buying a used luxury SUV forever. Whether you are on a tight budget or you've got unlimited money to spend, this video is going to change your perspective on what a car is actually worth in America today. So buckle up, hit that like button right now, and let's get into it because this one is going to blow your mind completely. Alright guys, so here she is, the $2,500 Cadillac Escalade. And I want you to really take a moment to look at this thing. When we first pulled up to this parking lot in South Chicago to check this truck out, our cameraman literally started laughing because none of us could believe that this was actually a Cadillac. The paint is completely faded and peeling in like 6 different spots. The chrome trim around the windows is almost entirely gone. The headlights look like someone frosted them with a sandblaster. And when you walk around the back, you can see where someone tried to fix a dent with what honestly looks like gray house paint from Home Depot. But here is the wild part. When I opened that door and sat behind the wheel, something totally unexpected happened. This truck actually started on the first crank. No hesitation, no weird noises, no check engine light drama. The engine came to life like it had somewhere important to be. Now, yes, the interior smells like the inside of a gym bag that has been sitting in the sun for 3 weeks, and yes, the air conditioning blows air that is roughly the same temperature as the outside air, which kind of defeats the entire purpose. But this thing moves. We took it onto the highway, and it merged with traffic like a proper truck, held its lane, and cruised at 70 miles per hour without shaking itself apart. Is it beautiful? Absolutely not. Is it embarrassing to be seen in? 100% yes. But is it a functional vehicle that gets you from point A to point B without dying on the side of the road? Surprisingly and shockingly, yes, it genuinely is. And that fact alone makes this whole experiment worth doing. Now this right here is what $200,000 looks like when Cadillac decides to go absolutely full send on everything. We are standing in front of the Escalade V in midnight black metallic, and I genuinely do not have enough words in the English language to describe how insane this truck looks pulling up to a hotel entrance in Las Vegas at night. The moment the valet opened that door and stepped out, every single person within 50 feet of this vehicle stopped what they were doing and just stared. That is the power of presence, and this truck has more presence than anything else on the road right now, period. Let me give you the rundown of what $200,000 actually buys you in this thing. You are getting a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 682 horsepower. 682! In a full-size SUV that weighs over 6,000 pounds. You have got a 38-inch curved OLED display across the dashboard that honestly looks like something out of a spaceship, massaging seats in every single row, a 36-speaker AKG sound system that will rattle your soul, night vision cameras, a head-up display, air ride suspension that adjusts itself automatically, and more technology packed into this cabin than most people have in their entire homes. And Cadillac did not stop at just making it luxurious, they also made it brutally fast. This thing hit 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Yes, a 6,000-pound SUV runs 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. America, this is your apex predator on 4 wheels, and we are about to show you everything it can do.
On the left, we have a severely neglected V8, but look at the supercharged 6.2-liter Escalade V on the right. The difference is night and day.
I need everyone watching this video right now to really pay close attention to this interior comparison, because this is where the $2,500 Escalade and the $200,000 Escalade are living on completely different planets from each other. And I mean that in the most literal way possible. When you slide into the driver's seat of the budget Escalade, the first thing that greets you is a cracked dashboard that has been baking in the sun for 2 decades, seats that have more wear patterns than a college library chair, an old-school single-DIN radio that still has a CD slot, which is honestly kind of nostalgic, broken AC vents pointing in random directions like they gave up on life years ago, and door panels with that sticky, aged plastic feeling that tells you this interior has seen things, rough things. Now close your eyes. Actually, do not close your eyes because you need to watch this. But now step into the $200,000 Escalade, and it is like walking into a 5-star Manhattan hotel suite that also happens to drive itself. The quilted cream leather seats are softer than the couch in your living room. The 38-inch curved OLED screen wraps across the entire dashboard like a panoramic movie theater. The crystal gear shifter catches the light like a piece of jewelry. There is ambient purple mood lighting that adjusts to your preference. The ceiling is lined with genuine open-pore wood trim. Every surface you touch feels intentional, premium, and expensive. Cadillac stitched the Elite Auto Reviews experience into every detail of this cabin, and walking between these two interiors back to back is the single most effective argument for why people spend money on luxury cars that we have ever captured on camera.
All right, people. This is the moment that every single one of you clicked on this video for, and we are not going to disappoint you, because we are about to do something that most automotive YouTube channels would never have the guts to actually do. We are drag racing the $2,500 Escalade against the $200,000 Escalade on an empty American highway at sunrise, and the results are going to live in your memory forever. Let me set the scene for you. Both trucks are lined up side by side, engines running. The American flag is rippling on the overpass above us in the morning wind, and the sun is just cracking over the horizon, painting everything in this incredible golden light. Our driver in the budget Escalade is gripping that cracked steering wheel. Our driver in the Escalade V is sitting in massaging heated leather, and both of them are ready to absolutely send it from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Here is what our scoreboard showed. The $2,500 Escalade ran 0 to 60 in 8.9 seconds, which honestly, for a 2-decade-old truck that cost less than a used iPhone situation, is genuinely respectable. But the Escalade V, 4.4 seconds. 4.4. The tires screamed, the supercharger whined like a fighter jet, smoke poured off the rear wheels, and by the time the budget truck hit 40 miles per hour, the Escalade V was already doing 65 and pulling away like the old truck was standing still. The performance gap between these two vehicles is not just a number on a spec sheet. It is something you feel in your chest when you watch it happen in real life right in front of you, and it is absolutely breathtaking to witness.
Here is the real conversation that nobody in the automotive world actually wants to have openly, and that is the lifestyle difference between owning a $2,500 Escalade versus a $200,000 Escalade in America today, because it goes so much deeper than just the cars themselves. When you pull up to a job interview, a first date, a business meeting, or your kid's school in a beat-up, rusted Escalade with peeling paint and foggy headlights, people make a judgment about you before you even open the door. That is just the honest reality of how human perception works in this country, and pretending otherwise does not help anybody. On the flip side, when you pull up to that same meeting in a midnight black Escalade E with chrome 24-inch wheels gleaming in the sunlight, people treat you differently immediately. Doors open faster, people smile bigger, conversations start easier. Is that right? Is that fair? Absolutely not, but it is absolutely real, and we would rather tell you the truth than give you a feel-good non-answer. But here is where it gets genuinely interesting for our channel. The guy counting his $2,500 in front of his budget truck, he has $197,500 left in his pocket compared to the guy in the luxury Escalade. And in America right now, with interest rates where they are and the cost of living doing what it is doing, that money invested smartly could change a family's entire financial future permanently. So the real question this video is asking is not which truck looks better, it is which choice actually makes you wealthier and more free in the long run. And that answer is more complicated and more personal than any car review can give you by itself. There is a moment when you are driving a car like the Escalade V through a city at midnight where everything just clicks into place, and you completely understand why human beings have been obsessed with automobiles for over 100 years. And that moment happened to us on the wet streets of Miami while filming this video. And I genuinely wish every single person watching this could have been sitting in that passenger seat to experience it firsthand. The rain had just stopped, and the pavement was still slick and shining under the streetlights. The neon signs from the clubs and restaurants were throwing pink and blue reflections across the entire hood of this satin steel metallic Escalade V, like the car was wearing the city as its own personal light show. The palm trees were swaying in the warm Florida night air, there was music coming from somewhere down the block, and we were gliding through all of it at 25 miles per hour in absolute whisper-quiet luxury, while the air suspension absorbed every single imperfection in that road like it simply did not exist. The 36-speaker sound system was playing something smooth, and the seat was massaging my lower back. And in that exact moment, I understood completely and without any doubt whatsoever why someone would spend $200,000 on this specific vehicle. Because it does not just take you from one place to another place, it transforms the entire experience of being in a city at night into something cinematic and beautiful and memorable. The $2,500 Escalade gets you home. The $200,000 Escalade makes the drive home feel like the best part of your entire day, and that difference is genuinely priceless for the right person.
There is a moment when you are driving a car like the Escalade V through a city at midnight where everything just clicks into place, and you completely understand why human beings have been obsessed with automobiles for over 100 years. And that moment happened to us on the wet streets of Miami while filming this video. And I genuinely wish every single person watching this could have been sitting in that passenger seat to experience it firsthand. The rain had just stopped, and the pavement was still slick and shining under the streetlights. The neon signs from the clubs and restaurants were throwing pink and blue reflections across the entire hood of this satin steel metallic Escalade V, like the car was wearing the city as its own personal light show. The palm trees were swaying in the warm Florida night air, there was music coming from somewhere down the block, and we were gliding through all of it at 25 miles per hour in absolute whisper-quiet luxury, while the air suspension absorbed every single imperfection in that road like it simply did not exist. The 36-speaker sound system was playing something smooth, and the seat was massaging my lower back, and in that exact moment, I understood completely and without any doubt whatsoever why someone would spend $200,000 on this specific vehicle. Because it does not just take you from one place to another place, it transforms the entire experience of being in a city at night into something cinematic and beautiful and memorable. The $2,500 Escalade gets you home. The $200,000 Escalade makes the drive home feel like the best part of your entire day. And that difference is genuinely priceless for the right person.
And the winner is the 2024 Cadillac Escalade V. At $200,000, the Elite Auto Reviews app.